The date is the 4th of September 2025. The time is now 2:32 p.m. and what you're about to see in the videos coming up cannot be explained other than being supernatural, because I've just recorded out my back door 22 minutes of constant thunder in the north, right? And this is my weather and radar app, and it says just above the picture there, downpours possible, some heavy thundery showers could lead to local flooding. And this is the weather map at the moment at 2:30, and as you can see, those yellow dots there, the purple is heavy rain, the yellow dots are thunderstorms. If I switch to thunderstorms now on the map, we can see that they're all in the north where the thunder was, just under Gainsborough and Market Raisin to the right. Our Market Raisin is interesting because on the 27th of February 2008 at 56, I think it was 56 minutes past midnight, there was a 5.2 earthquake, magnitude earthquake that shook. Well, I wasn't here then, but I was at Fulmer Road, just over the road, and it shook the house. The lights were swaying. It was really powerful earthquake, that was. So that's where the thunderstorms, well, they're just under Gainsborough and Market Raisin. Actually, under Gainsborough, my wife Samantha lived there. I'm sure she did. Yeah, she lived there. So there you go. So you want to watch this video, because I can't work out. There's a little bit of lightning, but there's not much, but it's thunder constantly for 20 minutes. You'll just have to fast forward through the first two videos because I'm joining the last one in the garden, the one that was taken in the garden for 22 minutes of non-stop thunder. So go and have a look and see what you think. Leave a comment. Yep, look at that. He's chucking it down. Stirred the thunder. Oh dear, that's really heavy, look. That is throwing it down. It's raining cats and dogs, as we say in the UK. Yeah, still thunder. Can't see any lightning though. That's a bit strange. That's in the direction of the north. I just finished loading up all my documents. I just had to change a few pages and words in them, and I've just loaded them up about just before I went to sleep. And then we get a storm, look. Yep, there we go. Shut the old window there. There we go. That's my Velux window, you can hear up there. The moon's always lined up with that and the sun. It's amazing. Shines on my bed, does the sun. Bye for now. Still thundering. I just been down to get my camera. Get my camera from upstairs. Look at that. What? There's lightning. Just above me, that. It's literally not stopped thundering since I stuck my head out the door into the back garden. Oh God, thought I just saw some kind of thing above me then go by. It looked like a bird, but it's nothing there. Where's the lightning? Right above me now. What the hell's going on here? Constant thunder, Trish. I can't actually see any lightning though. That's in the north. What is this about? This has got to be a supernatural storm. What is going on? Never known that. Yeah. What the hell? It's just not stopping. That's in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. What the hell? Oh, what is going on here? Ooh, Jehovah's angry with the Watchtower and Jehovah's Witnesses for not listening to my emails, and this is his way of showing it. There's no lightning, that's what's strange. I had a storm a few years ago where there was lightning, loads of lightning. Oh, gold! Did you see that? Oh my god, that was lightning then. Gold. Oh, gold. I think God's angry. Why is it over my house? That's what I want to know. Oh God, I've never known anything like this. Just as I finished loading my documents up onto YouTube, that's finished now. Go and download my documents. What the hell is going on here? That's been going for, well, 5 minutes now, constant. Is that normal? Or is it supernatural? Oh no. What the hell? Never ever experienced this in my life. Oh, you saw that lightning. I'm just going to keep this video going. Has anyone ever witnessed this before? God, what was that? It's just literally above my head, look. That's... oh God, it's just literally in front of me. This has been going on for 7 minutes. Constant thunder. That's not even normal, is it? You're witnessing a supernatural miracle. Just going to get my slippers on a minute. Yeah, that's the book. The books that fell over once. Look, you've got the WATCHTOWER magazines with the cult book on top of them. Look, that fell off, and it did it without touching it. Right, I'm outside now. It's a bit wet. Oh, gold. Bright over there. My phone's waterproof anyway. Hope I don't get struck by lightning. That's my bedroom where Operation Mission Impossible, The Final Reckoning's taking place. I've just got to wipe my phone, it's got wet. What the hell? If you think that 8 minutes of thunder, constant thunder are normal, go and do one. Because this ain't normal, is it? It's raining. Oh God, that was a big one. No, it's literally not moving, it's in front of my house. Look at it. Jehovah's angry, Watchtower. You've ignored the emails, you governing body members. And over 4,600 Jehovah's Witnesses, and this is what you get now. As I said, it literally started at, I think it was 1:52. And I looked at my clock when it started thundering. It was 8:52 in New York, and 8:52 is actually Daniel chapter 2 about the rock coming down from the mountain and smashing the statue. That's 8:52, and my friend Trish is called. Her surname is Vernon, and her gematria value is actually 528. The same numbers. And the actual 528 is also Iesis in Greek, which is Jesus, and also it's JEHOVAH'S as well, 528. So there you go. In gematria, English gematria. God, this is ridiculous. I've never ever. God, it's doing it again above me. Never witnessed. This is going on 10 minutes non-stop thunder. It literally is non-stop. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Wow, this is brilliant. That's the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, where that house is, in that direction. On gold. I think Jehovah's well angry. I mean, literally, when you get lightning, you see it every what? Few minutes. This is constant. It's just lingering round here. I'm not going to stop until it stops. I'm not going to stop recording. This has to be a witness to all the nations. What the hell is this about? Look, it's literally bright over there. I'll have a look on my it did forecast thunderstorms. I'm going to have a look on my weather app, my weather radar, in a minute when this is finished, if it does finish. Ridiculous. Still not stopping. I mean, you can hear it on the video. That's it stopped. It hasn't even stopped for breath. Over there now. Nothing in the south. What the hell? Oh God, it was across there in the south. Oh God, what the hell is this about? Are you telling me this is a coincidence after I finished uploading all my documents to YouTube? Well, I've updated them on my Google Drive, and you get this. It's ridiculous. Well, at least my phone, Samsung S10 Plus phone, is waterproof, I think. I dropped it down the toilet back last year. I had to fish it out quick. I thought, oh, it's waterproof. Fell out my pocket as I went to the toilet. Well, you can see it for yourself. I'm not making this all. It's clearing now a bit, I think. This is 30 minutes of constant thunder. Okay, if you say so, Batman. If this is supernatural, I don't know what is. I hope my son Joshua's watching this, because this is not normal. It's not let up. It's not even let up for 1 second. I'm not seeing any thunder. I say any lightning. Years ago, I've got a thunderstorm. I've got 3 videos of the same one on my YouTube channel, and basically it was lightning out the front constantly, lightning, and there was no thunder except for, well, I was in the garden in the back here, and we had a little bit of thunder, but there was no. The lightning just was constant. They are still lightning. When's this going to stop? Yeah, that's my bedroom, look. Operation Mission Impossible, the final reckoning against the Watchtower. Well, I don't know what to do. I'm getting a bit wet now. It's everywhere. So it's been doing this for 16 minutes now. You can hear it's not let up. This is scientifically impossible. I'm telling you now. I wonder if there's a sign, in the Bible it talks about the an army coming from the north against Babylon, and this is in the north now. I think it's Thursday today. Yeah, I think it is, and that's Thor's day, god of Thor. Don't know whether that's thunder. Well, has that stopped? No, still at it. It's literally from there to there, northwest. There's nothing been over the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, which is interesting. Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. Oh God, here we go again. Oh, where's the thunder? Oh, here we go. It's literally been above my garden. What the hell? I don't want to stop recording. I'm getting wet, but I don't want to stop recording this. This is ridiculous. We're now on 18 minutes of constant thunder, if not 20 minutes. That's Cara, Trisha's dog. When dog backwards, Lloyd Evans is God. And there we go, confirmation, this is supernatural. Look, it's in the northwest. Kingdom Hall's there, Jehovah's Witnesses, not anywhere near there. 19 minutes of constant thunder. I don't know when to stop this. Yeah, it's in the north, definitely in the north. Fading a bit now, maybe. I just don't want to stop because I want to record the whole thing full. Hey, there's the sun's out over there, look. You can see a blue sky. Is it going there? And we've got some clearing here. Still thundering though. I'm going to have to stop this because it's just going on and on. Sometimes the lightning, not very often, but kind of thundering without lightning. Don't know how that works exactly scientifically. Northwest. What is going on with this? I really don't know. I might do, it's supernatural. It's sunny over there, and it's clearing away, I think. I'll have to check my weather map in a minute. Right, that's about 22 minutes now. I'm going to give it a rest now, because this is going on. God knows when this will go on to. Look, still thundering now. I don't really want to stop and get wet. I think that makes the point anyway. Bye for now.